Two senior employees of Zimbabwe Power Company ZPC in Wange have been remanded in custody over allegations of stealing property valued at approximately 3.9 million from the power station. Sanamina mashoko buda panguva inochonekwa kunzi aiwa vashandi veZimbabwe Power Company aiwa voba zvakanyanyisa kusvika pakuba aiwa property iri approximately equating to $4 million US subscriber like out on the bell icon. Timna mnamuda comes the accused. Tawanda Maka and Ruth Chiani are alleged to have orchestrated the theft of 15 electric motors, 48 tons of brass pipes, and a metal container from Wange Thermal Power Station. The alleged accomplice, wildlife Sumenje, remains at large. Investigators say that between August 22 and 23 this year, a truck was captured on CCTV at the turbine for loading the stolen items. The footage reportedly showed the property being moved without proper documentation. Chiani, a loss control assistant, is accused of overseeing the illegal loading but failing to provide invoices to justify the movement of the items. Maka, a stores officer, allegedly instructed a boilermaker to cut an electric motor and a storage container to make them easier to load. The court heard that the stolen property was transported in haulage trucks hired by Zimbabwe, who is still evading arrest. Both Maka and Chiani were arrested on September 11. According to investigators, the evidence against the pair is substantial, including CCTV footage and the removal of authority documents assigned by the accused. The two ZPC employees are expected to appear in court again on Friday next week. Mashoko aripo pamusoro pechitiko ichi chekubiwa aiwa kweproperty aiwa yeZimbabwe Power Company. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nakomeseki nyirudza mafunguro enyu. Sana subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.